My name is Vito Mariano, CEO and inventor of BRK 50. Please watch the step-by-step video to get the most out of your waterproofing applications. Your waterproofing BRK kit comes in a 5-gallon bucket for mixing. Inside you will find 1-gallon liquid and a 30-pound bag of cement. You need an electric mixing paddle so that everything gets mixed thoroughly to a thick milkshake consistency. You can apply BRK with a trowel, roller, squeegee, or a sprayer. Use the tool that suits your project. BRK 50 is easy to mix. If you're going to use a trowel, use a ½ gallon of the liquid to a 30-pound bag of cement compound. Follow the mixing method, not the measurements. For uses other than trowel, pour 3/4 of the liquid in a 5-gallon pail. Make sure you mix 1/4 of the liquid in case you need the mixture more diluted. Then add 30 pounds of the cement compound. Use the electric paddle to mix the liquid and cement to thick milkshake consistency. Now let it rest for 4 minutes. After the 4-minute rest, mix it again with the electric paddle for 1 minute. BRK 50 is engineered to be easy to apply. It's one product with hundreds of application possibilities. Pools, patios, sidewalks, planters, retaining walls, showers, bathroom, foundation, garage floors, basements, and so much more. All applications shall have the minimum thickness of 1/8 of an inch. Mix it, apply it, done.